A simple text wrap around pictures can tremendously enhance your presentation's narrative. However, wrapping text around an image in PowerPoint is not as straightforward as in Word, but you can easily achieve a similar effect by manually adjusting text boxes and images. Now here's a brief step-by-step guide in which you can follow just by watching this video tutorial. First, open the PowerPoint presentation on your computer. Go to the slide where you want to insert the image, then click on the Insert tab, select Pictures, and choose the image from your computer. Now once inserted, go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, draw a text box where you want your text to appear around the image, enter your text in the text box, then resize, then click on the image to select it, then drag the image to the desired position on the slide. While you have the image selected, click on the Picture Format tab, select Send Backward, click on the text box to select it, then resize, and use the spacebar to fit around the image as much as needed. Now adjust the position of the image and text box to ensure that the text wraps around the image properly, and add additional text boxes if necessary to wrap text on different sides of the image. Now just by following these steps, you have now created a visual effect similar to wrapping text around an image in a PowerPoint presentation. Now that's how to text wrap around images in your PowerPoint presentation in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.